Let's cook beef noodles. Boil beef with salt, pepper, seasonings, and bay leaf. In a bowl with noodles, add hot water and let it for 5 minutes and drain. Then add the beef stock, mung bean sprouts, cabbage, beef, sesame oil, and it's done. Another homemade recipe to enjoy.
Let me show you how to make chicken ramen soup. Fry the chicken, add the veggies, water, ramen paste, and add the rice noodles. Easy, delicious ramen soup. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Let's transform the instant noodles into delicious noodles ever. Fry an egg, add the chili paste, the vegetables, water, seasoning, and the noodles. A level up instant noodles. I hope you learn and enjoy today's recipe. Guys, keep on following for more exciting recipe.
Let's cook another easy Asian recipe. Soak the rice noodles in hot water for 5 minutes. Then cut the tofu into cubes. In a pan, add ginger and tofu. When it's turned into brown, remove and set aside. On same pan, sauté garlic, add dried mushrooms, carrots, cabbage, salt, oyster sauce, soy sauce, pepper, tofu, rice noodles, and mung bean sprouts. Another easy homemade recipe to enjoy.
Let's cook pancit with tofu today. First, fry tofu and set aside. In same pan, fry another tofu, garlic, onion, vegetables, water, soy sauce, oyster sauce, seasonings, rice noodles, and lastly, cabbage. I hope you like today's recipe. Friends, don't forget to put likes and subscribes. Let's cook another easy, delicious Asian noodles. Sauté garlic and onion, add the pork, liver, fish sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, water, pepper, seasonings, carrots, bell pepper, noodles, and the cabbage. Let it continue on cooking for 3 minutes. Another easy homemade recipe to enjoy.
Okay, let's have Asian dish today. Soak the rice noodle in a warm water for 5 minutes, then toast the pork, add the carrots, rice noodles, add soy sauce, oyster sauce, pepper, seasonings, cabbage, and let it cook for 2 minutes. It's done. Another homemade recipe to enjoy. Okay, let's have Asian dish today. Soak the rice noodle in a warm water for 5 minutes, then toast the pork, add the carrots, rice noodles, add soy sauce, oyster sauce, pepper, seasonings, cabbage, and let it cook for 2 minutes. It's done. Another homemade recipe to enjoy.